Make a great choice today with the 2023 LEAF. The Nissan LEAF, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions plus zero gasoline equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, steel wheels, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, traction control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.